Mga kabahay, welcome in this video or in this vlog. For today's video, we will plant this Malabar spinach in my rooftop garden pala. So let's start. So first, we need a soil for our plants. So this soil, I will use it. So as you can see, there are medicinal plants here. This is a tawa-tawa, and I don't know what is this, but this is a medicinal plants. So this plants or trees is a calamansi. So patay na yan. So dahil patay na, papalitan natin ng bago. So as you can see, this tawa-tawa is beautiful and look healthy. So nanginayang ako na tanggalin tong mga to, no? Because they are medicinal plants, but we will try to put it in another pot or in another soil, so para hindi siya maging waste, no? So as you can see, this soil is, for me, is mataba, no? And good. Yan. So di ako ganun kamaalam sa pagtatanim, but I'm always trying. So ganun yung mindset ko. So I don't care if I fail. I just want to do it. So we will remove it. So palapag muna natin to dito. So napakalaki ng ugat niya and malalim, no? So yeah, dito natin tatanim yung Malabar spinach. So hindi ako ganun knowledgeable sa pagtatanim